You know how I spent my first January, which was yesterday? I spent that with 270 people on a Zoom call with my hypnotist teacher, Melissa Tears, where we all did a reset. So she led us through a hypnotic trance to do a reset for the year 2025. And my favorite part of that 1.5 hour session was where she got us to envision us achieving that goal that we have set for ourselves, and like really embodying that and feeling what that feels like in our body. And I love that so much, because this is where the power of hypnosis really comes to life. I mean, I've never felt so ready and so confident for achieving my goal that I feel right now. And it's just 2nd Jan. It's literally the 2nd day of the year, and I already feel like, oh my God, it's done, right? And that's the power of your focus. That's the power of you practicing the emotional state that you're gonna feel when you achieve your goal. So one of my favorite quotes that she shares, it's actually not by her, it's by Rick Hansen, and the quote says, "You can practice an emotional state until it becomes a neural trait." And I love that, right? Because for the most part of my life, I thought emotions just happened to us. And now, thanks to coaching and hypnosis and all of these change work techniques, I know that emotions just don't happen. They're created inside of us, and you can change them. You can practice an emotion, any emotion that you want to feel, so much that it becomes your neural trait, which means that there's wiring in your brain that just keeps creating it, and you know how to access it on demand. And for me, what that meant was feeling that proud, feeling that feeling of, really accomplishing my goal and feeling that proud. That feeling, the intentional focus on feeling that feeling in my body is what lit me up and is actually giving me the fuel to think about the ideas and get excited about all that I'm going to try quarter by quarter for this year to achieve that goal. Frankly, it doesn't even matter whether I achieve it or not, but I know I'm going to achieve it because there's just so much excitement, because this proud feeling is already fueling me. Like, I already feel like it's done. That's how I feel, right? And I just want to offer you, this is such a good space to be in, my friend. That's why I'm loving hypnosis. It's just such a focused and cut to the chase, direct way of getting you to where you want to be. So if this is something that you want to experience, like imagine for whatever goal that you want to achieve in 2025, like being in this space where you already can practice embodying that. Like, how amazing would that be? And all it takes is repetitions. Just like in gym, you have to, if you want to, have a good muscle, you have to do the reps, right? So these are the reps. So imagine, like, you identified that how you're gonna feel, like you identify that, let's say you're gonna feel very satisfied or proud or accomplished, whatever your feeling is when you really like achieve that goal. Let yourself think about what would it really be like when you're celebrating in December that you've already achieved what you set out to in Jan 2025. How would you feel? Like, what would be the best part of it? How would you feel? And once you actually let yourself know what that feeling is, then it's like you doing the reps to create that feeling, to feel that feeling. Same to maybe have a visual, or it's just feeling, or it's audio, whatever way you learn. But it's practicing that again and again, even for a few minutes, like 3 minutes every day. And you're gonna see that your brain starts to make it a neural trait. You're gonna see that that feeling is more and more accessible, and that feeling starts to make ways for you because of your focus. You're able to find opportunities that you would otherwise have missed, or you're able to just think of ideas that you otherwise wouldn't have, right? So 3 minutes practicing this emotional state for you is going to be so awesome. And if you want to practice that with me, then you should reach out, because I'm actually doing a discounted session, one discounted session for you to experience what hypnosis can do. You could do it for any change that you want to drive, or you could do it for the reset for 2025. Like, we could do a goal identification and emotional state identification, and we could help you practice and anchor that so that you can every day move towards it. If that feels pulling to you, then go reach out. Okay, bye.